and this is what I'm going to do for the rest of the life. I just need 3 years, and after that, life is jingalala. uh, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just sit like this in different parts of the world, trading, making money, and having fun while trading. Can't it get can it get better? So I always used to fantasize athletes, sportsmen, or people in the film industry, because they are doing what they love and they're getting paid for it. And I was like, damn, why am I not able to have any such skill? I do take up photography. I do make money in photography. I used to make money in photography, but then for me, money has never been a motive. I don't like to work for money. Um, so photography for me is something divine, and I sort of love photography. I've done that. I used to make money. I used to do pre-weddings and stuff. Weddings are like pretty difficult. I don't need to do that kind of an this thing, because for fun I might do it, but not for money. I'm not that really crazy or fond of money. Then comes the stock market, which is very interesting. I came in to make a little bit of money, but money was not the motive. I wanted to see how it works, and money is a bonus. And if you can make money on a daily basis, that's crazy. Imagine I made 500, 1,500, 2,000. It is a complete journey. It's not like from 1,000 I came to 5,000. No, it is not possible. It is a gradual step. You go up, come down, go up, come down, go up, come down. It's basically like how this chart is, right? So when I was making $500, I wanted to make $1,000. But when I was losing, I was just wanting to make around 250 to $500 per day, which means that is some kind of a pocket money that I get. And to a stage wherein I'm easily making around 5K. It's a dope stuff. And this is apart from my regular income and my investments. In my investments give me a good returns. Do you want me to show my investments? I'll show you my profits. That is better. Crazy insane amount of profits. Okay, profit of around 1.86 lakhs, which was almost 2.25 lakhs or some stuff. It has come down because the market is in a downstream. Market is coming down. So I have 1.86, 1.82, 87,000, 28, 28, 17, 11,000. There are multiple companies wherein it's fetching me results. It's fetching me good amount. And that is a beauty. What am I doing? I'm doing nothing. I've just invested in the companies. Companies is working for me. They're making money for me. So today, if I want to buy anything, I can just withdraw funds from this particular account, and I can go do whatever I want. So these are the profits that I have. Crazy, isn't it? So, and there are like, apart from this, I have some mutual funds and NPS and other stuff which I don't even bother looking at. For me, what gives me happiness or what gives me the kick is when I uh, study something, I invest my time and efforts, and then I do some trading, and when that fetches me money, it's crazy, isn't it? Even the amount that I make on a daily basis, which could be 5,000, 2,000, 3,000, 10,000, anything, that has got own value, because that is something that I invested in myself. I invested my time and efforts, and that is the return that I get. So I'm really happy with that. And the other part is this on the stocks, wherein I'm getting lakhs. So 1.86, 1.82, that's almost like 4 lakhs. And how long have I invested this? Hardly a couple of months, and I've made a profit of 4 lakhs in these two companies. I'm not letting you know which is a company. I don't let my trade secrets out just like that. But then even if I tell you the company, it's not going to really work out, because I buy a company at a particular price when I know that the is company is doing well, and I know when to exit, when to take it further, which I think others wouldn't know. So that is a key skill that you need to acquire. It's not like companies. There are like around 7,000 companies in the Indian stock market. There are companies like TCS, Wipro. Why are they not doing well? I used to invest in those companies a couple of years back. I didn't know how these companies work. uh, I didn't know how stock market rewards the companies. Before, I had no clue. I had zero knowledge. I used to put in money and I used to make money. That's a different thing. but it was a slow process. Now I've completely changed my structure of investing, how I enter a trade, how I select a company, when I select a company, till what time I have to hold. Everything is clear. We have a set of checklists rather, wherein if a company meets these criteria, if these are the things that is happening in the company, then I invest. The whole funda, if I tell you, you will come to know uh, my investing principle, then it is easy to replicate. So I'm not giving it to you. But trust me, once you understand this, once you uh, get a hang of the investing journey, it is very simple. It is very simple once you learn it. And once you want for you to get to that level wherein you know this is how it works, this is how the stock market works, that requires years of efforts. And how did I learn? Trial and error. I used to invest, I used to fail, I used to lose money. Then I used to sit and understand why that company didn't do well with respect to the price movement. Why didn't it give me returns? And that is how I started learning. And I started documenting everything. Everything that I do, I document. And main thing in investing is basically to look at the chart patterns. And this will give you, imagine what can you understand from this graph? Nothing. Nothing you can understand if you don't know how to read a chart. But do you know how? But I have mastered that. I'm good at it. I have put in 5 years of effort. 5 years. So it's easy for me to understand how the price would behave, and at what level I have to buy and what level I have to sell. So I have a complete picture as to the progress of a company, where it what the price is now. Say for example, I buy it for 100 bucks and I invest 1 lakh, and if I know it's going to go to 200 bucks, so I will just buy it at 100 and let it go to 200, and my 1 lakh becomes 2 lakhs. It might take 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, doesn't matter. That's the beauty. That is the beauty of trading. People say I'm so obsessed that I always talk about trading, but trust me,